4 years ago, we worked together with the Y and said, let's Minnequa in conjunction with the Y, let's look at bringing sports to the kids who maybe might have some disadvantages in terms of transportation or funding. Let's give them an opportunity to experience soccer, basketball, football, whatever it may be, but just a chance. That was the whole goal. Is doesn't matter if you're good, it doesn't matter if you even truly like it. Let's just get out there and see. And it's been exciting. The beginning, we didn't know how to kick a ball, or we didn't know how to keep it in bounds. There was a lot of whistle blowing and chasing. And now they're actually controlling the ball and shooting and working together through passing and cheering each other on. So, you grow, and that's just the little things that they've been doing. When you talk about just the whole team aspect, it's very supportive to kids just feeling comfortable and excited and believing in themselves and each other. We see the benefit on the field, right, and in the classroom. They bug me all day. When's soccer? I'm like, it's Monday, soccer's coming on Thursday. Are our shirts in yet? What time do I play? They're excited about something. And so when we talk about the output for kids, they're depending on something, they're accountable for something, and they're seeing that if I put good effort and attitude towards something, I have a positive outcome. That's transferable to school. And so that's why we're utilizing this program to help kids through everything. Right? Perfect practice makes perfect, and we're seeing that. And just this soccer league, and we've seen it in the basketball league as well. I encourage this program and to work with the Y particularly because you guys are amazing, but you care about kids. And it isn't about winning or losing, it's about getting out there and trying something. And it doesn't matter if you're good. It doesn't matter if you're great. It's about working together and doing something special together. High fives and screaming and cheering is awesome. It's great. That noise is awesome. I'm just very grateful, and I think other schools would really benefit from this. I've seen the girls out here who don't care about soccer look forward to it every week. Come to school just to make sure that they can play in our Unity Soccer League. So it's helped our attendance, it's helped our academics, it's helped our culture, but most of all, it's helped our kids believe in themselves. So why wouldn't schools want that?